Spouse cheated years ago? How to deal with this shocking revelation. Discovering that your spouse cheated on you, even if it happened years ago, can feel like a gut punch. The pain, the betrayal, and the flood of emotions can be overwhelming. Whether this revelation shakes you to your core or feels somewhat detached due to the time that has passed, navigating this emotional minefield is no small feat. If you're grappling with this revelation and unsure of how to move forward, here are some steps to help you understand your feelings, process the situation, and decide what's best for you and your relationship. 1. Give them the opportunity to be honest. Your spouse's infidelity was a breach of trust, but now they have a chance to come clean. Mistakes happen, but how someone handles them can speak volumes. Ask your spouse to be completely transparent about what happened and why they kept it hidden. This is their moment to show they've changed and to take full responsibility for their actions. If they resist being honest now, it's worth questioning whether you can trust them moving forward. 2. Think about how much you want to know. It's natural to have questions about their affair, especially given how long they've kept it from you. But consider carefully how much detail you really need. Knowing every grimy aspect might deepen the wound rather than heal it. Decide what's essential for your peace of mind and set boundaries on what you're willing to hear. 3. Try not to start a fight. The urge to lash out is understandable, but arguments fueled by anger and betrayal rarely lead to constructive outcomes. Shouting or blaming may feel cathartic in the short term, but can make it harder to have an open, honest conversation. Instead, approach the topic calmly and express your feelings without escalating tensions. This paves the way for dialogue rather than defensiveness. 4. Take some time for yourself. Finding out about infidelity can feel like your world has been turned upside down. You might feel pressured by your spouse's apologies or desperation, but taking a step back can give you the space to think clearly. Whether it's a short solo trip or simply creating emotional distance, prioritizing your mental health and clarity is essential. Use this time to understand how you really feel and what you want. 5. Reevaluate how you view your spouse. Learning about a betrayal can alter your perception of your partner. Are they the same person you've built a life with, or does their secret change how you see them? To move forward, you'll need to reconcile your feelings, either by accepting their past mistake or adjusting to a new reality where trust needs to be rebuilt. Consider whether their actions align with who they've been to you in recent years. 6. Decide whether you can trust them again. Trust is the cornerstone of any relationship. When it's broken, rebuilding it is a complex, personal journey. Reflect on whether you believe your spouse's infidelity was a one-time lapse or part of a pattern. Can you envision trusting them fully again, or will the doubt linger? Honest communication and consistent effort from your partner are crucial in this phase. 7. Validate your feelings. Whatever emotions surface, anger, sadness, betrayal, or even indifference, they are valid. Some people may feel devastated, while others might find the passage of time lessens the sting. Don't judge yourself for how you feel. Recognize that processing these emotions takes time, and there's no right or wrong way to react. 8. Don't let your spouse dictate your feelings. If your spouse downplays their actions or tries to rush your forgiveness, stand firm in your emotions. Just because they've had years to come to terms with their mistake doesn't mean you have to process it on their timeline. Your spouse should respect your feelings and provide the support you need rather than trying to control how you respond. 9. Talk to someone you trust. Whether it's a close friend, family member, or therapist, sharing your feelings with someone neutral can help you make sense of your emotions. A counselor, in particular, can offer professional guidance to navigate your next steps. A trusted confidant can also provide clarity, but keep in mind that their personal bias may influence their advice. 10. Tell your spouse what you need. Rebuilding trust and repairing your relationship will require effort from both sides. Communicate your needs to your spouse clearly. Whether it's regular check-ins, more transparency, or couples counseling, let them know what's necessary for you to heal. Small, tangible steps can make a significant difference in regaining trust. 11. Reflect on what you have to lose. Marriage is a significant commitment, and it's important to weigh what's at stake before making a decision. Consider whether the life you've built together is worth fighting for. Friends and family may have strong opinions, but the ultimate choice is yours. If your spouse is genuinely remorseful and willing to make amends, there may be hope for reconciliation. 12. Decide if you can truly move on. Even if the cheating happened years ago, the betrayal can still feel fresh. Ask yourself whether you can forgive and forget, or if the hurt runs too deep. Moving on doesn't mean ignoring your feelings, but finding a way to live without resentment. If you choose to stay, both of you must commit to starting anew and leaving the past behind. Conclusion. Finding out about your spouse's infidelity years after the fact is a shocking and painful experience. There's no universal rule book for how to handle it, as every relationship is unique. The most important thing is to listen to your own emotions and take the time to decide what's best for you. Whether you choose to stay and rebuild or walk away, trust in your strength and prioritize your happiness above all else. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.